Hi, it's Lindsay Diane from DianeDecor.com. In this video, we're going to talk all about simple Christmas decorating ideas. So whether you are going out of town for Christmas, whether you just don't have the emotional bandwidth to get all the stuff out of the garage and put everything up, whether you have physical restrictions that are just not allowing you to get up on that ladder and string all those lights, or whether you just don't have the money to put in to go all out. This is the video for you. This is all about simple, budget-friendly, easy, stress-free Christmas decorating ideas. Let's get started. Christmas is by far the biggest decorating season. People go all out for Christmas. They even go overboard most times. Even if you don't decorate for any other holiday, you tend to decorate for Christmas. But it can be emotionally draining if you have other stuff happening in your life. The last thing you want to do is sort through a bunch of bins for ornaments and lights and things like that. It's very physically tasking. Lots of things are big. The trees are big, the garlands are long, the string lights, you've got to get up on a ladder. It's physically tasking. And of course, it's expensive. Even if you have all of your decorations, you still have holiday dinners and you have presents and then you have New Year's and you have end of the year parties. It's a very expensive time of year. And sometimes you just need that pared down, simple holiday decorating. So let's jump into these 5 simple Christmas decorating ideas, starting with number 1. Number 1 is to put up a wreath and a doormat. A Christmas wreath and a Christmas doormat are the perfect welcome home for the holiday season. You get to see that every time you come home. Your guests get to see it and experience that holiday feeling when they approach your door. It's the perfect way to start out with a simple decorating plan. Moreover, they're inexpensive. Now, of course, you can use a wreath that you already have. If you don't have one, you can DIY a wreath really easily. It's only going to cost you maybe $5 or $6 in supplies from the Dollar Tree. You can get a wreath form, you can get a pool noodle, whatever you need. You can wrap some garland around it, put some ornaments on it, and you're done. Doormats are also very inexpensive. You can find them at Dollar General. Aldi always has seasonal doormats. Of course, Walmart, Amazon, Big Lots, all of these places will have really inexpensive seasonal doormats. Number 2 is to put out your holiday pillows and your blankets. So if you have some holiday themed blankets or pillow covers that you like to swap out on your sofa, or maybe you have holiday bedding that you like to swap out on your bed, I wouldn't skip this part. It's not going to take you long to do, and it's going to give you that cozy, warm, fuzzy holiday feeling. You're going to have those nice, whether it's a faux fur blanket or a Sherpa blanket or a fleece blanket, whether you put it on your sofa or your armchair or drape it over the edge of your bed, it's going to put you into that holiday festive mood. And it's easy to unpack those, wash them up, and drape them over your sofa and get them set up. As this is a part of the holiday decorating plan that I wouldn't skip. It's simple, it's easy, it's inexpensive. If you don't have these items, you can always get a holiday throw blanket from Target or Aldi, or even the grocery stores will have little holiday seasonal blankets all tied up with a ribbon, and they'll be marked down around this time. They're going to be inexpensive. This is an easy, cheap way to decorate your home and give you that warm and cozy feeling. Number 3 is to put out a few decorative kitchen towels. So the kitchen is a place where we spend a lot of time normally, even more so during the holiday season. And just draping over a few holiday themed kitchen towels or even pot holders is a really great way to get those festive designs into your home and really put you in the mood for Christmas. Now, again, this is something that's very inexpensive. They sell them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Get yourself a couple of hand towels, get yourself maybe a pot holder, and that's all you really need. Drape them over, your stove or your dishwasher or wherever you like to lay them out, so that they can be seen in your kitchen, and it's going to help decorate the space and give you that warm and festive feeling. Next, I would create just one holiday centerpiece. So you can start with a tray, or if you have one particular item that you really love to put out. So maybe you have like a Christmas village, or you have these two little mini light up trees, or you have a giant snow globe that you like, or a little collection of snow globes. Just put out one thing that's going to create a centerpiece and put it in a high traffic area. So that may be on your kitchen countertop, or maybe it's your coffee table, or maybe it is your dining table if you frequent that area during the holidays. Someplace where you're going to see it and you're going to kind of walk by and smile and like the look of it. Something that lights up is all the better, because it's going to get you into that sort of twinkly light season that we're in. But just one centerpiece. You don't have to have something for your coffee table and your dining table and your kitchen counter and your bathroom counter. You don't have to do all of that. Just pick one and put it in a high traffic area. Last but not least, do a tree with just lights. Or if you really can't bring out the tree, then get some mini countertop trees like they sell at Dollar Tree, and put those in a high traffic area. So maybe you have one in your kitchen or by your entryway, or you may have one in your bedroom. You can put it on your dresser, you can put it on a console table or a sofa table or a countertop. Just let yourself have that little Christmas spirit with the tree. String a few lights on it, put a few ornaments on it, and it will really help create a beautiful look. It's going to be sweet and festive, and it's easy to do. Again, if you go with the big tree, just put the lights on it. You can put colored lights, you can put flashing lights, you can put just the plain white lights. I like to put just plain white lights on my tree. I don't have them flashing or blinking or anything like that, but I do have two different sizes of lights, which makes it gives it like a little bit more of a dynamic look. So I have one that has a larger bulb string, and I have those, and then the standard, light that we always see at Walmart or Target or wherever you buy your lights, that like standard size, we have those all over the tree. And sometimes it's just the lights year. This is something that I learned from my mom when they first became empty nesters. She would say, okay, I have a tree. It's just the lights though. Like before anyone can make any commentary, she says, it's just the lights. And it's just because, they wanted an easy Christmas. It's after years and years of decorating with the kids and putting up all the ornaments and the little pictures from all the years. It's a lot. And over the years, you collect a lot of ornaments. And I remember we had hundreds. And so, one year they said, we just want an easy Christmas. We like the tree. We like looking at the lights, but I don't need to break out 10 boxes of ornaments, So I learned that from her, and sometimes we do it here. I just do a pared down Christmas, and it's just the lights. Or if you want to hang a few featured ornaments that you like to have, or you have kids, right, that really want to play with the ornaments, just do a mini tree for them and let them decorate it the way that they want. And this makes it a really simple and easy decorating idea for Christmas. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please don't forget to visit me at DianeDecor.com. I post all about holiday decorating over there. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.